am such a neat woman. If they chop my kpekus reach ground, your husband, he knows I be chop kpekus. And prick he no get. Rooty space. Your husband, swear say your husband don't ever chop your kpekus. The best thing that can ever happen to any woman is to have a man like Eliab chop him.
Now I give you this video.
You should say you not put it, go for that rice. I'll just put in head for you and say, baby, chop it. Chop it. I paid for it. Suck that fucking quickness. The Chris. Rooty space, why are you jealous of me? So because of the way we be say, Eliab they chop my quickness. Now you make una just the jealous me. Because of the way Eliab choppies, he choppies my quickness. Is that the reason why you are jealous? Because you are married to an old man. I married Eliab without knowing say get money, not to carry me come abroad, nothing, not for love. So the only way that poor man was able to compensate me was to chop it.
I said, dude, I give you this evening.
Now Rooty space, now I provoke me. The thing is sweet, guys. Chai. Any next relationship when I go get, if you not sabi eat and chop, forget it. You are not coming to my way. Because Eliab don't spoil me. Eliab sabi chop. I will say, bros, maybe take him easy now. I said, bros, may you take him easy. Not they use by force. That will not be walk when they say me you walk. Do driver license and I still talk the pussy with care. You know, man, I'm not going to look for my purpose one day like that. You know, they deck. But guys, honestly speaking, my husband, they try. It's a bit chop purpose. Try. Now, make him, if you see a knife, if they talk, if they make like this, he's used to it. Watch him whenever he's talking, he's always following spit. And like this, they talk. Because he cannot stay without my purpose. It's only my purpose that can make his mouth dry. Otherwise, he's wet. Because you all know I'm very juicy. I'm very, very juicy. So because my husband was very good at sucking, you know when it's juicy and it's dropping. It's dropping. It's dropping.
You forget.
I said, baby, let me sit on top of your mouth.
So you forget you have new people that new top people when they follow your page.
They go like all of us now shower where they read book. Men, if you know they do those things too. The reason why Eliab was able to retain me and make me go gaga was just because Rooty space. Now me do you. You chose document and chose life in abroad than choosing a man that would be active. You know, say Eliab na young man. Now young man he be, not be my fault say na man wey be say he don't reach inside the grave. You are a widow. Now him, you are a widow. Stop crying. Mourn him and carry another man at the next door. What I can do? You do it if you know. I have married Monday. I am the only woman who have the guts to marry Monday. After I finish with Monday, I still say Monday not make sense. I can't put Monday for one side. I can't carry Tuesday. When I realized that Tuesday was making noise too much, they snore, they do everything. Now I can say, you snore too much. Tuesday, get out of my life. Now I can't carry Wednesday. When I realized that Wednesday not sabi suck bekus. Wednesday they talk too much. You know sabi, chop the thing. Now I can't carry Thursday. After Thursday. Now I can say this Thursday safe. You dey craze. Now I can carry Friday. Only me now I carry Saturday. Only me now I carry Sunday. I'm about to start all over again now from Monday. Hallelujah. Rooty space, if you get swag when I get, if you get elastic, if you know you can give it to young men like me, you not see my leg. You not see where it is. You not see where my leg is. You see my leg. You see her for bed. You see her. I saw they open her for earlier that year. They see her. Can you open leg like this?
Yes,
can you do it?
I'm coming.
Rooty space. Rooty space, come on social media and saga me. Can you open your leg like this for your husband? Do you think it's easy to open it like this? Because everything they go inside the water. They crazy. You ain't fast, they smell for everywhere. You fat, smell, you they do for my trouble since I don't want to mind you. Those your children, will be saying, very smelly idiot children that doesn't even know how to write 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. You be like, agidi. Your children are agidi. You know, before you talk to some people, you think twice. I not be your mate to this space. I am not your mate in every area and ramification. You know, I too big past you. Why you just they mention my name for your mouth where they smell? Why not just take some toothpick and brush your fucking teeth? At least go and bury your husband, mourn him very well, and take Tuesday as a husband because you have guts. And then dump Tuesday to marry Wednesday. After Wednesday, you have dumped Wednesday and get Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That is when both of us can communicate. Because as long as you can see me so, I have white, I have black. I have adopted child that I stole. I'm the only one who can chest it. Why they drink paracetamol for my own headache? So I go police station. One thing. Now that one, your husband prick, you want to stand. Now that one, for you to be thinking how to come orgasm. You did that, they think about me. Why you not just go Amazon? Just go type fake bola, plastic one, very soft. If not the one where they vibrate, right hand for there. You call me on phone, let me tell you how it goes for you to come orgasm. Even without a man, you can come orgasm, baby. Yes, don't know they use that anger of orgasm, they make your brain calm down. The reason why I update them now, they talk. He hands don't they pain him. See, me hand they pain him. They pain him. Without me, nobody can satisfy him. If he say a lie, may can't do sex for social media. May can't fuck another woman for social media. Make I see. You they crazy. Now everybody matter. You they put mouth. I don't go and mourn that your dead husband. Don't look for the day when I will come back for you for year. I go give your entire generation woto. You know, say as I they preach love. We know they tolerate nonsense. If you be devil, we know they hear word. I go give them to you. Devil, show your man to you. Power belong to Jesus.